My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live, sweet jam.
Hello my gardening family, welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. I am sheltering with the banana leaf. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you one and all. My new gardening family, welcome on board. My faithfulers, always happy to have you. It's such a privilege. My channel members, I big up on myself. I appreciate you one and all. Alright, so everybody love you all, and God bless you all. So how to grow bananas in 5-gallon buckets? Let's get to it. Alright, so my banana tree here in this 5-gallon bucket, it has this sucker in there from when I decided I wasn't going to take it out until the banana shoot. I was advised to do that by one of you, and then I confirmed with mommy and she said yes. So even when the container started looking like this, I decided that I'm not going to take it out. I'm still going to wait. You see this little part right here, so I use it as a little brace. So if you ever know what I was going to do, I was going to get the oxaw blade and saw it off. And then as I saw the rabbit, so I'm going to get the hammer, pull this out right here, and then I can get to take out this. I still didn't take out the tomato from here now. And look here, guys, ready to produce. I didn't see, every time I say I'm going to take it out, I don't remember. It is stuck right inside there. So I got a sucker and I got a tomato, a free one. There's a little sucker right here pushing its way out. So yeah, I am going to take out the tomato first, take off this, then take out the sucker, and we're going to plant this baby together. Alright, this one now can focus on its fruiting and do its thing, but it is doing its fruiting quite fine. The size for me, it doesn't matter. I am super grateful for the fact that it grew in the 5-gallon bucket and I can get some bananas from it. I could actually put this in the ground or put it in a bigger container, but I just want to keep I want to keep this banana in 5-gallon bucket as my gardening signature. Get me? Yeah. So I want to continue this trend. I want to continue this so I can always have a banana in a 5-gallon bucket. Alright, so we are going to use this bucket that I did a video on yesterday about this soil, how I make my own soil. So I am not going to bother to go through that process with you right now. I am just going to ask you to go over to that video that I did yesterday on making this soil. Alright, so you know exactly how we got to here. I will link it in the description, so after you finish watching this video you can go straight over to it. And thank you so much in advance. Alright, so I am just going to pull on this like so. I'm not getting much soil with it. Well, not much. I almost didn't get any. So I'm going to stuck this in the soil right now. I'm not even going to wait. I'm going to put it right here. I'm just pave the way right here. So alright, so I'm going to water it right away. So we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. can't afford for it to die. I should have taken it out from when. And the fact that it is ready to put on fruit. I can't wait. I have to do it right now. I have to deal with it right now. Alright, later I'll give it some food. Alright, so I have the hammer right here. I am just going to pull on this like so. Yeah, that was not bad at all. Wasn't bad at all. How do I get it out? Oh, the ants bite me up. Now that we're here, don't want damage to the house. I thought it would just fall out, you know. Well, that not just like that, but I mean, I didn't know I would have to put up this fight. Ants. It's harder than I thought. It is harder than I thought. So Nike coming out, guys. I wanted the banana to shoot a long time, you know. So I did have to wait until we get to here, so but cycle. It was my first time, so I wanted to ensure that, you know, my experiment go through good before I do anything. I think this shovel is twisting up, so I can't get a good grip. I think I need to get the knife. Yeah. Guys, you see how the banana have me sweating? I'm sweating like a pig. Is the cutlass I should get? But he said that this knife bending up too. Kind of damage, but I got some roots. See? I got some roots. So, yeah. That. Piece of it is right here, as you can see. But this part had to come up, so I had to do what I had to do. But this is just a little portion right here, so most of it is actually right here. So I think this will be fine. What do you think? I think it will be fine. Let me just rest this here and put on back this. I think I'm going to have to get something to put inside here, so to keep the soil. Even though what I do is add the liquid fertilizer around this side right here, so in this little hole, a sink that I made right here, so that it got down straight, so it not run all over the place. But I'm still going to try to get something to put inside here, so and just see how best I can salvage that. So the next time around, if you ask me, I'm not going to wait until the sucker gets so big. Just understand that because I'm sweating like a pig, because it was the sun, because it was actually the first time I decided that I was going to let it stay. But now that I realize what happened right here, so I'm not going to let it stay that long so that it even get to burst out the bucket. I'm going to take it out. So what happened is that they say when you take out the sucker, when there's no sucker there with the banana, it takes longer to shoot. So I just want to know that it is going to shoot. I will wait the extra time. Alright, so this basically took 1 year and 1 year, 2 months plus. Yeah. So if I have to wait another month, then fine, it's fine with me. So I'm not going to have the sucker grow so big till it bursts out the bucket again. No. When I see the sucker come up, I'm going to take it out so that, you know, I can have a seal bucket right through. So this one is going to show us now how long we wait for this. Today is April, but I don't remember the date. I will just come back to the video to see the actual date when I planted this. So mark this date with me, and whenever the sucker come up, if me I go online, me don't want to take it out, remind me, guys. If I'm let me rephrase, if I'm behaving as though I don't want to take it out, please remind me and tell me, Stacey, take out the sucker out of the bucket because it's going to burst like this one. Alright, okay. So we're going to put it inside. Yeah, so inside here. Alright. Let's make this hole in the middle. So when I planted that one over there, I ensured that all of this part right here was in the sun. I think I brought it up to here for that one. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. I know a lot of persons going to ask me the variety of the banana. I don't know. Because my mommy don't know. She got a sucker years ago. And from that moment, she just keep having suckers. And she gave me one. So at the time when she got it, she didn't know what it was. So she cannot tell me. Alright? The only thing I know is that it's a dwarf banana. Alright? So I'm just going to put it down. So you can see all of the root area I will cover up to right here. So all the root area is down and I put it in the middle. So when any sucker come up, as soon as I see where they can come out, I will take them out. Alright, so I am now just going to add some top dressing, that's horse manure, and a little bit of sawdust. Yeah, so I'm just going to add that now to it, water it in, and put it in its new location. Okay, so my observation is that the bananas, they love water and they need sun, at least 6 to 8 hours of sun, full sun daily, right? So they love water but not too much. So you have to be moderate, just not having them dry out for too long, right? So I noticed that much. They really and truly don't need a lot of care. Once you feed them, they're heavy feeders, yes, but once you feed them, like, you don't have to care for them that much, more than when you see that they have some leaves that are deteriorating. You actually go ahead and, you know, prune them down and allow the plant to focus on doing other things for you. You know, let them focus on their development. Alright, so this is where I leave you for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it. I mean, know the world massive love it and them respect it, man. Hear this? A lot of mercy. Help me pick up Jamaica, the land of wood and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture.
Come garden with me now, man.
That's what a nice place to live. Sweet Jamaica.